And I just pulled up to Gang House, man. What you got over there, man?
We got the money guns, you know what I'm saying?
Ooh, Boosie, boo. With the full spread. That's how you feeling? I'm telling you guys, this is like a freaking dream right now. Like, you guys don't even know. I just got a freaking shout out from Carmen Pritchett. If everybody get their shot, man. $99.99. It's time to go yay, man. It's time to go yay, man. Let's do it. Man, shout out to everybody out there, man. I appreciate y'all, man. It's always love, man. Without y'all, I couldn't be doing what we doing, man. I'm telling y'all, man. It's time to go, yeah, dude. We just hit 100K on YouTube. It's nuts, bro. We got Chef Ray in the house today. So they said when they hit 100K, they was at work, working hard still.
Yeah, like literally, it was probably like 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock that day.
We was continuing watching the phone, and like we was scared to not get caught, because you know you're supposed to have the phone.
Yeah. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in, man. This is a special one. A special thank you to you. We are about to hit 100,000 subscribers here live right now on YouTube, man. I can't wait. We didn't drop so many videos along the way to get here at this point, man. So I appreciate everybody rocking, and anybody who's ever tuned in, gave me a thumbs up, a subscribe, man, anything, man. All love. It's time to go, yay. Meanwhile, Friday we are going live with the More Life giveaway. Not only the More Life giveaway, but our freaking 100,000 subscriber motorcycle giveaway, man. You guys know our More Life giveaway just sold out. Not only that, we do have dollar freaking entries right now live on the site. For $1 you can win this Harley Davidson right here, man. All you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go cop you a Everything Regular sticker. You can get as many $1 stickers as you want for a chance to win this bad boy right here, man. We're going live on Friday, picking the winner, so I can't wait. Meanwhile, I done already been in the garage and all that stuff today, showered up and so on and so forth. So I'm actually about to get up in here, get dressed, man. We should be hitting 100,000 subscribers today, man. So I'm about to go in here, get dressed up, go slide to the homie's crib, man. Go see what we can get done today. Meanwhile, you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate y'all, man. It's always love. I definitely love y'all, man. Thank you for helping me get this far, man. If you guys have any dreams, anything in life, any aspirations, man, all you guys got to do is chase them. It can happen for you too, man. I've been waiting for this moment for so long. So, man, let's get up in here and get this day started, man. Alrighty, let's check our subscribers. 99,814. It's time to go yay, man. It's time to go yay. We about to get up in here and then just try to figure it out, man. I can't wait. And just like that, wildin' and styling. Yay! Let's see. We got the ooze with the eyes and the brewer's cap, man. Who got this hat, man? Anybody got this hat? We about to hit 100,000 subscribers. That's nuts. Dreams is really getting chased out here, and dreams is really coming true. That is for sure. And I just pulled up to Gang House, man. What you got over there, man?
So we got the money guns, you know what I'm saying? We go out to the clubs and everything when I perform and for our events. You know, we give it back to the people no matter what we do. Right. Always give it back to the people. Don't give a fuck how we doing it. We'll have fun with it. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna take the fake money out of here and we're gonna replace it with real money. I'm gonna have 20. I'm gonna have ones, 20s.
It came with some stacks, y'all.
And we're gonna be just, you know what I'm saying? And we turn it up. We're gonna have it. It's gonna be really just going crazy now. Nah, we ain't throwing nothing. We in the club.
He said, I'm tired of throwing stuff, man. I got the money downstairs. How many of them you bought? It looked like you bought 4.
I bought 1, 2, 3, 4. I bought some more.
I bought some more.
You know.
Boosie got them bands. Boosie got them bands over there, man.
100,000.
Yes, sir. 100,000.
100 mil.
Y'all see what's talking. Ooh, let me see 100 million. $100 million. Who you think you kidnapped? Chelsea Clinton?
$50 million? And who you think you kidnapped? Chelsea Clinton?
Right, huh? We got Chef Ray in the house today, cooking up. Dang, that's how you feeling? All the oohs and the ahs? Damn. We starting early today. That's crazy. We got the oohs and the ahs over yonder. Over yonder, y'all see what it is. It's going up.
Yeah, right.
It's going up, man.
So far.
We got Boosie, boo, with the full spread. That's how you feeling? With the full spread, huh?
100 M.
Right, 100 of them. Throw them in P10. look.
100,000, 100 mil.
100,000.
Somebody did right.
I'm dying. Guys, we are 50 subscribers away from the big 100K, man. I can't wait. Hey, you guys don't know what's in the cup, but this one is for you, man.
Yes, sir.
Alrighty, guys, man. We are almost there, dude. I'm telling you guys, this is like a freaking dream right now. Like, you guys don't even know. just being here at the freaking SSG mansion is just freaking dope. I just got a freaking shout out from Carmen Pritchett herself, the Carmen Pritchett, man. So thank you, gang. I appreciate you. It's all going up. It's a freaking movie. I'm telling you, we cost it up. You know what time it is. It's gang. Yes, sir.
Nah, the cold is.
We said something about shotting it up. Everybody get their shot, man. 99, 99, 99. Nigga, it's time to go yay, man. It's time to go yay, man. Let's do it. Out here with gang up in here, man. Let's shot it up, man.
Hey, man.
Y'all see what's going on. That is crazy. Hey, man, I appreciate it. We here with gang, man. Good looking out, man. Y'all see what it is. Let's see what we got, man.
This is a long time coming.
I want to see what this thing look like. Man, what? I'm trying to see what this thing look like when it get to that 100. What? Let's see it, man. Golly, that's nuts. Heart beating fast, y'all.
Go subscribe.
Man, somebody go subscribe. Somebody go subscribe, man. Everything's regular. Everything's with an S. Yeah. It's time to go yay. 100K.
About to make this boy hit 100K subscribers.
Man, we about to get it going. Oh my God, dog. Man, shout out to everybody out there, man. I appreciate y'all, man. It's always love, man. Without y'all, I couldn't be doing what we doing, man. I'm telling y'all, man. It's time to go, yeah, dude. We just hit 100K on YouTube. It's nuts, bro. Fuck, that's nuts. 100,000 people with me, man. That's nuts, bro. That is nuts, man. Appreciate y'all, man. It's always love. They got the full spread out here, too. That's nuts. Hey, man, 100K, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. 100 of them.
My boy.
Man, it's all
Congratulations.
man.
Hold on, I gotta get that real quick.
Hey, nah, it's
My
good.
boy just hit 100 on.
Yeah. That's
The
nuts.
whole honey bun, huh?
That is crazy.
Hey, I know I get your flat fast too.
Yeah, I definitely need that. Quick, fast, and in a hurry. Quick, you mean? What?
Hey, man, put y'all
Up.
Man, I want to say big congratulations to my boys today, man. Officially
Hey, man.
100,000 subscribers.
Come on, man. Real YouTuber in life now. Come on, dude.
Let's go.
Come on, let's go. 100 of them.
Celebration has begun.
Hey, man, you see what's going on, man. Appreciate y'all, man. It's all love. Everything regular.
Yes, sir. He said, I ain't serving shit, huh?
Sure, I ain't serving my man only.
Look, it's a movie.
Oh, you good.
Ain't that's
I made
crazy.
that fix your own plate.
That's wild, bro. That's nuts, man. I appreciate it.
You know what's crazy? I want to subscribe from the family channel. That's the one that when I was logging in.
Hey, no, it's good. I definitely appreciate it, man. That is nuts.
Where that bitch came from.
That is nuts, man. I can't believe it.
Hey, man, I know what it is, man. We look, man. Come on.
Hey, your dream ain't hit. How fast was that?
100K. I'm here with the
turned up,
kitchen eating up like this is nuts. Like y'all don't even understand.
Alcohol, like cosmic and stuff mixed up with fruit, but they try to say that I'm drinking like syrup and all type.
I'm telling you, bro. Y'all don't even understand, dude. This is like a dream right here. It's nuts, bro. Nuts. That's nuts. Nuts. Can't believe it.
And then sweet and sour sauce, crab rangoons, dip it in the sweet and sour sauce. You can dip whatever you want in sweet
What's
and
the
sour sauce.
inside of that?
Cream cheese and like crab.
Pass me one plate. One more plate.
You gonna like it. It's a little sweet, not really.
Full spread out here. Full spread. Full spread, man.
Put these on your plate.
That's crazy.
Yeah, really.
She just said.
Y'all see what's going on, man. We out here with gang now.
Give me some zucchini.
Are we doing Christmas dinner this year?
Oh no, I'm saying.
Are we
like,
doing McDonald's?
Real quick, she goes.
Huh?
Oh, okay.
We doing Christmas dinner this year or what?
Yeah, of course. Of course, bro. I gotta do my she ship every day.
I'm just, nigga, I'm asking, nigga. I don't know what's going on.
I made the steak well done because my eyes turned my head for like 5 seconds and then got away.
Right after me 100K.
So they said when they hit 100K, they was at work, fucking working hard still.
Yeah, like literally, it was probably like 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock that day.
We was continuing watching the phone, and like we was scared to not get caught, cause you know you're supposed to have the phone.
Yeah.
So every time I turn around, he like. And then when we made it, we silent like celebrate. I turn around like.
But you even know your power back then, huh?
Nah.
Like if I knew what I knew now, shit, I would never been there playing at 100K. That's how I been in Miami somewhere on vacation.
Making a video, huh?
No, good up. Look, did it Floyd.
That's nuts.
Yeah, man, but hey, man, it's a journey.
Yeah, I see what's going on, man. The journey, that's for sure.
3-4 months, man. I can't go nowhere.
Word?
I swear. He was just saying like, man, I can't go nowhere. He's like, man, I be trying. He's like, I took off, it was going, and I got to like 80 and it was like stuck. I was like, watch, that shit gonna take off. He was like, I hope so, man. And slowly but surely, he like, nah, look, it's slowly but surely been taking off. For the past 2 weeks, he been like, man, it's taking off. But this past week, he like, hey, bro, my shit going, yeah. He said every day it's like, boom,
For
boom,
sure.
boom, boom.
At least like 1,000 a day, oh God.
Hey, so what happened? So what made your turn up?
Oh man, we started doing content, nigga. When we went to Orlando, that was the vibe for sure. That's what really went crazy when we went to Orlando. So stuff like that. But like just being in the mix and getting in this whole different vibe, it's like, that's what we want to see, you know?
Exactly.
It's lit.
100K subscribers.
100 of it, man, y'all. Appreciate it, man. It's love. Y'all see what's going on, man. What's up?
Hey, cheers, 100K. Greatness for 2022. For greatness.
We can anytime.
Hey, I don't care what it is. I don't care what it is. Hey, 2023 for greatness and succeeding our goals and surpassing our goals.
That part.
Hey, cheers.
Go up.
No one had a plate out there.
Y'all see what's going on, man.
We cheers.
We out here eating good. Shout out to the chef, man. She did a hell of a job today.
Ray came through with the fire dish.
A hell of a spread. Hell of a spread.
I'll tell you what.
You know, it's good working in your corner.
He get that corner down. Hey, man, got no camera, no nothing.
He ain't said nothing yet, huh?
Hey, they good. Nah, it tastes actually good though, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all,
It's
man.
fire. I ain't had the sweet and sour sauce though yet. That's what I did.
I
Try that, please.
Yeah, try that. I had 2 plates.
Yeah, right, huh?
Man.
So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I just want to personally thank each and every one of you guys, man, for helping me reach a long time goal, man. It's really been a goal of mine for the longest, literally since I started YouTube. I can only imagine hitting 100,000 subscribers, and not only hitting 100,000 subscribers, but hitting it in literally the position I'm in. Literally, it's just so nuts, man. We work so hard to get here literally every day. We wake up and just go above and beyond and just try to be better than we was yesterday, man. I want you guys to follow that same type of drive, man, and have that same energy, man. Prepare today for success tomorrow, man. It can happen for you too, man. All you guys got to do is chase your passion, know what you want to do in life, and go after it, man. I ain't gonna hold you. Literally took me some time to figure out what I wanted to do, man, but like I said, it's never too late. All you guys got to do, keep chasing your dreams and shoot for the stars, man. You might end up on one. You never know what's possible, man. I'm telling you. And last but definitely not least, man, I want to thank my guy Corey and Carmen and the whole SSG brand for supporting your boy, man, and just bringing me in and treating me like family. I'm telling you, I haven't had a freaking lookout or a shout out or any type of YouTube feature and anything up to this 100,000 subscriber, man. So this whole part was literally a whole grind and everything, and just to see somebody else see that and just want to help you genuinely, man, I can only thank you, and I really do appreciate y'all, man. So it's always love. You guys already know, man. SSG, everything regular. It's a movie, man. It's time to go yay. But with that being said, man, I just want to thank everybody out there, man. If you haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate that, man. If you guys entered in for a chance to win the More Life giveaway, man, it is finally sold out. We will be going live Friday at 6 p.m. with the More Life giveaway, but not only with the More Life giveaway, man, you guys know we just hit 100,000 subscribers. So I told you guys I was going to give you guys the Road King, man. All you guys got to do to be entered in for a chance to win this thing is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you an Everything Regular sticker. Literally $1 can win you this Road King right here. Yes, this Road King with all the Everything Regular oohs and ahs on that joint. We're giving it away for $1 single buck, man. You can buy as many entries as you want. Get in while you can. The giveaway is going live Friday, which means today is the last day to get in for $1 single, man. So get in while you can. In the meantime, man, I want to thank everybody again. I appreciate it, man. Please like, comment, and subscribe. In the meantime, I'm about to get up in here and get ready for the gym, man. It's a movie.